going to learn how to run a reliability analysis of our survey instrument using the Jasp software. Remember that the Jasp software cannot successfully import a file that is saved in an Excel type, so you need to save your data in a .csv format. Jasp software newest version is 0.14. It is an open source project with a structural support from the University of Amsterdam. Again, the Jasp software cannot successfully import a file that is saved in an Excel type for this type. So all we have to do is to save our data set in an Excel format. So the first step that we are going to do is to click the three lines on the topmost portion of the screen on the left side. Click Open, and then you click Computer, and then click Browse. Please remember where did you save the file. In my case, I saved the file in Desktop with the file name Reliability Analysis Data. And then you click Open. Here, we have successfully imported our data set. We have 30 respondents who answered the survey questionnaire. The survey questionnaire talks about leadership. So the researcher adapted the survey tool, and there are items rephrased, there are items modified from the existing questionnaire, and that is why the researcher needs to re-establish the psychometric measures of the tool. And one of its psychometric measures is to establish the reliability of the survey instrument. So there were 30 respondents who answered the survey questionnaire, and this survey questionnaire is about leadership behavior. So there are 10 items or 10 statements that would capture leadership behavior, and the objective again is to determine whether the reliability index after the 30 respondents answer the tool will pass the cutoff value of an acceptable survey instrument or for an acceptable reliability index. So this is very simple. All you have to do is to click the reliability analysis button that is between the network and SEM or structural equation modeling button. And then when you click the single test reliability analysis, you will be directed on this screen, or you can see the screen, or the screen will pop out after you click the reliability button. Remember, we are looking for the alpha or the Cronbach alpha value. And then after determining the alpha value, we are going to check it from the standard from several authors if this Cronbach alpha will be an acceptable or a good alpha or Cronbach alpha value. So you drag your items to the right side of the screen. Okay, so we have here all the items, statement 1 up to statement 10. And remember that we need to have the Cronbach alpha value. So for us to look at the Cronbach alpha value, you have there the single test reliability. So for the single test reliability, instead of McDonald's, we can change it into Cronbach's alpha. And for us to see on what happens with our point estimate, the reliability index of our tool, the moment we drop several items or an item from our list. So we can click here. You have here the Cronbach's alpha if item dropped. So it will give us the Cronbach's alpha or the point estimate when we drop a certain item. So for example, when we are going to drop item number 1, the Cronbach alpha will go up to 0.816. If we are going to drop item number 2, our Cronbach alpha will go down to 0.784. So what will be our basis now to conclude if our instrument, by running reliability analysis, is already good or not? So you have here the result of the analysis with our point estimate of 0.810. So according to Conting et al. 2009, we can use this guide to interpret the result of our reliability analysis. And 0.810 is within the range of 0.81 to 0.90. That means to say that our survey instrument in terms of reliability is considered to be good.